Namaste and welcome to day 13 of Mindful 30 journey, and today's practice is about gentleness. Yes, with that I encourage you to get into seat, relax your shoulders and chest, close your eyes, welcome this day with a warm smile, a welcoming energy, a lot of positivity and affirmations. Let's place our hands on the chest and let's chant Om sound together after the next inhalation. Inhale. Set a simple intention for this practice. Once you have that clear, relax your hands and slowly open your eyes. This is beautiful. The practice is about gentleness, like you've already heard. What I really want you to approach for today's practice is everything that we do today, in today's day, not just on the mat. Try to receive everything with utmost calmness and gentleness. Don't force anything. Don't jerk anything. Don't have that extra added pressure or energy to it, but instead approach it with kindness, gentleness. So if you must have seen people exerting, like to do something, you have exertion, right? Do the same thing with smartness, with power, while you relax. So you're doing the work, the same amount of work, with keeping your face relaxed and keeping a gentle approach towards it. You don't have to cut down on the efforts you're putting. You just have to approach it with kindness and gentleness. Can we do this? Yes, we can, absolutely. Let's start with coming into butterfly. Imagine you are in a very beautiful weather today. You have warm sun surrounding you. You have beautiful green trees who are swaying with happiness. Yes, their energy is radiating positivity and you're feeling good about it. From them, approach that gentleness, how gently they sway their body. They move the leaves. Their stem moves with such grace. Let's try to stretch that with the same concept, same inspiration. Yes. All right. From there, we're just going to take your right heel to your groin, left leg straight. Yes. From here, all you have to do is take your left hand on your left leg and slide it down. Wherever you can comfortably, be there. And try to breathe there with comfort. Yes. Relax the elbows. See if you want to add this. That's a choice if you want to add or you just want to keep it down. See what is more inviting for you. Observe your belly rising and falling with every inhalation and exhalation. Inhale up. Slowly walk your hands ahead and see if you can place your elbows slightly down as much as you can. I want you to approach wherever, I've seen people, whenever it's about flexibility, it's like, oh, I'm not flexible. For people who are already flexible, amazing, good job. But for the ones who feel like, oh, I have to put a lot of work into flexibility, my suggestion to you for today's practice is don't force a stretch. Just try to stretch with calmness. When your face is relaxed, your body will automatically help you open up. Trust me, it's true. So when you're more relaxed, you see how much your body supports you and helps you melt into the process. Let's try keeping that with us in the practice. With that, slowly come up. Same thing on the other side. Super gentle. Move everything with gentleness, with intention. Slide your right hand down. See if you want to take your left hand up and just breathe. I'm going to be gentle towards myself, towards my body, towards my thoughts, towards my mind, and towards everyone who's around me. Slowly inhale, come up. Slowly walk your hands ahead. You're doing amazing already. I can feel it. I can feel that you're kind of understanding what I'm actually asking you for in today's practice. Slowly come up. That is beautiful. From here, we're just going to come into this lunge called as lizard lunge. In this, your both hands are on one side and the leg is on the other side. So what do I mean by that is you're going to come into all fours and place your left leg ahead like that. But it's on the outside and my both hands are on the right side. Now, you can choose to keep the back knee on the floor, or you can choose to lift the back knee off. Both of them is option. If you want it to be a little bit more intense, keep the knees off. If you want it a little more gentle, keep the knees down. Relax the toes and just drop your elbows down. Breathe here with me. Even if your knees are on or off the floor, your elbows should be down. It's okay if one of the elbows is not reaching the floor. It's okay if you're not exactly the way I look right in this posture. Don't compare, just follow. From here, see if you can take your right hand ahead. Whew. Stay there if this is a lot for you. Just stop here. See if you want to add left hand ahead. I'm giving options for people who are expecting a little bit of challenge. Slowly come back. Remember, gentleness. I'm going to remind you as much as I can. Slowly go back. Same thing on the other side. Drop your right leg ahead. Both the hands down. Drop your back elbow down. Both the elbow down. Yes. From here, try to plant your feet. Relax the shoulders down and away from your ears. Breathe into that back leg. Straighten your left hand ahead. Keep the elbow off. Engage it. Straighten your right hand ahead and breathe. Whew, this is fun. Slowly get the elbow back. Slowly get your palms up. And slowly come back. This is beautiful. From here, you're going to walk your knees back. And just walk your hands slightly ahead till your chest and forehead can reach the floor. If you can place your chin on the floor, even better. Just breathe. Slowly come back up, reminding you of gentleness. Be gentle towards yourself. Walk your knees ahead. You're going to place your left leg between the hands this time. Take your both arms up. Push your hips down. And push the hips back and take your hands back like that. If you want, you can lift up the left toe up. Again, drop it. Hips down, arms up, arch back. Exhale, take it back into half split. This is amazing. Inhale. Exhale, take it back into half split. Inhale, take it up ahead. From there, take it back. Last two, inhale, arms up. And back. Last one, inhale, arms up. And slowly release. Okay, take the legs back and change sides. Okay, we're doing good. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, all the way back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, all the way back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, all the way back. That's amazing. Keep going. Inhale. Be gentle to yourself. Be gentle to everything that you're feeling. Continue the practice. Our body is our temple. Let's treat it like one. And slowly drop your hands back. Drop your knees back. Lift up your knees off. And just come into downward facing dog. Breathe. From here, you're going to bend your left knee and rotate it towards the right side. And just stretch that right length of your body. It's amazing. A little bit more. You can twist and drop that hip towards that left side a little bit. And slowly come back. Center, same thing. Bend the right knee. Turn it towards the left. Stretch that left length of your body. More, more, more. And slowly. That was Mimi just trying to be around us. Come back in downward dog. We're just going to go into upward facing dog. Yes, drop your pelvis. Lower your shoulders. Bend the elbows. Inhale, lift up. And exhale down. We're just going to go up and down, but I don't want you to extend your arms fully like this. I want you to do it halfway. And imagine there's something very heavy on the floor and you're pushing it away from you. And then up. But not entirely. Halfway up and down. 10. Down. 9. Down. Awesome. 8. Breathe in to go up. Breathe out to go down. Breathe in to go up. Breathe out to go down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. We're doing amazing. Feel the arms working. Yes. And release. Relax your head down. And just breathe. Relax your hands. Slowly push up into upward dog and push back into child's pose. Rest your head down here. Slowly come back up to seat. As you're trying to get your breath back into center, I want you to just follow me helping you stretch your neck. Yes, so drop your right ears to the right shoulders, close your eyes and just breathe there. It's very important to address all these basic important joints in our body that helps us move, helps us sustain. Give it attention and a lot of love as much as you can. Inhale, take your head back up and drop it on the left side. Trying to push both the shoulders down. Face relax and breathe. Slowly take your head back. Take the head up. Take your jaw together to come back up. Center and chin down. Face relax. Slowly take your head up. From here, we're going to do just a little bit of eye exercises. Extremely important, especially with all the technologies, with all the screen that we're using, 360. Sorry. We're going to do a little bit of eye exercises now, which is extremely important, especially when we're using so much screens these days, yes? So all you have to do is look extremely to your right side from the corner of your eyes and hold it there. Almost there, hold it. Slowly get back center. Wait for me to guide you. Take it to the left and stay. Face relax as you're doing this. You can smile, there's no tax on smiling. Slowly center, take your eyeball up. Keep your face in center, take your eyeball down entirely. Slowly center, close your eyes, squint your eyes and release, squint and release, squint and release. Last one, hold. Slowly release. Breathe there with me, 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. I'm going to be gentle towards myself and everyone around me. That's a beautiful practice. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I really encourage you to lie down, be gentle towards yourself and lie down and give yourself that 2 to 5 minutes of rest. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day ahead.